Welcome to online classes. My name is G. Akkamma, CRT in Maths, KGBV, Gandlapenta, Anantapur district. Today discuss about ninth class lines and angles. Lines and angles. Introduction. Key concepts of lines and angles. First, introduction. Next, angles in daily life. Next, basic terms and definitions. Next, points. Next, intersecting lines, non-intersecting lines, and concurrent lines. Last, angles. Introduction. In maths, geometry, the lines and angles are important tools. If any object in ideal that is called as line and it is represented as straight curve. The angle is related with line, that is the cross section of two lines is create the angle, and that intersection point is called as vertex. Here we see about types of line and angle in math. Angles in daily life. If we look around us, we will see angles everywhere. Basic terms and definitions. First, line. A straight line path extending in both directions with no endpoints. Line segment. A part of line that includes 2 points called endpoints and all the points between them. Next, race. Ray. A part of a line with one endpoint that continues without end in one direction. Sun rays and torch rays are the best example of geometrical idea of ray. Next, points. An exact point or location. Collinear and non-collinear points. If 3 or more points lie on the same line, they are called collinear points. Otherwise, they are called non-collinear points. Intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. First, intersecting lines. Lines that cross each other. Non-intersecting lines. Lines that never cross and are always the same distance apart. They are also called parallel lines. Examples of non-intersecting lines. First, hardwood floor and opposite sides of windows, desks, some etc. Parking slots in parking lot. Last one, parallel parking. Concurrent lines. When 3 or more lines meet at a point, they are called concurrent lines, and the point at which they meet is called point of concurrence. Angles. In geometry, an angle is the figure formed by two rays sharing a common endpoint called the vertex of the angle. The magnitude of the angle is the amount of rotation that separates the two rays and can be measured by considering the length of circular arc swept out when one ray is rotated about the vertex to coincide with the other. Next, types of angles. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle. Last one, reflex angle. Acute angles. The measure of an angle with a measure between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Examples of acute angle. This one and next. Right angle. An angle formed by the perpendicular intersection of two straight lines. An angle of 90 degrees. Examples of right angle. This one and this one. Next. These are examples of right angle. Obtuse angle. Angle measures greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Examples of obtuse angle. One of the example of obtuse angle and another example of obtuse angle. These are examples of obtuse angles. Straight line, straight angle. A straight angle changes the direction to point the opposite way. It looks like a straight line. It measures 180 degrees or half a revolution or two right angles. Examples of straight angle. This one and this one and these are examples of straight angles. Reflex angle. A reflex angle is more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. Thank you.